Hello, good day everyone. Welcome to Aimless TV. Please don't forget to subscribe and click notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. If you are subscribed before, thank you and God bless you. Today we have the full details about the girl that ran mad in Italy. So according to a source, she has been in this condition for a long time, and she based in Bari, Italy. That is the south of Italy, Puglia. She has been in this condition. She has been on treatment also, and she have a friend that normally take care of her. But since this time of coronavirus disease now, and many people dying in Italy, so everybody are being scared of each other. So the friend left her. She has been alone for how many days now, and she's depressed. So that is why you can see her running on the streets, and people were there clapping, laughing at her instead of helping her, because many are afraid to even touch her. And you can see when someone makes an attempt to touch her, she even spat on that person. So everybody was scared. So according to them, what caused this her condition, what makes her to be in this kind of condition, is that she has been in this condition for a long time just because her boyfriend broke her heart. She has been spending a lot of money for that guy. And this was the second boy. The first boy did the same thing. After did and done, after her suffering and everything, the whole promise that one made, that one leave her, dump her also. Then the second one, now the second boy still came in, also did the same thing. You see, this is the problem that is frustrating many African girls in Europe. Some are being frustrated by their parents, by their family back home. Some have been frustrated by boys, by their boyfriend or proposer or fiancé, whatsoever you call it, because they are fake fiancé. If they are real fiancé, at least someone that you suffer for at last, you will remember the suffer that both of you went through together and did the thing that he promised you. But for many of them, since they are fake and 419ers, so for their own men is to destroy. This is destroy because they destroy these girls' lives. Now, after everything, after the whole suffering with her body, spending all to the last dime that she has, look at what they did to her. You see, this has been happening in Europe for so long. Many lives has been frustrated in Europe. Many ladies said many cannot bear a child anymore. Neither can many get even husband for now, because their age, they are old. They are out of age, even for child or for anything. Many don't even have even money in their accounts or even have any property to account for, just because they put hope in one boy, just because they spend their money on the boy, thinking that the boy will make everything to stand for them, for their family to prosper in the future, not knowing that the guy is playing them, lying them and deceiving them. So it's very bad, you know. This behavior is very, very bad, and it has been gotten out of hand in Europe. Many girls have been running mad in Europe. Here in Europe, many girls have been running mad. Some will even come by the promise of their madam or whatsoever they call them, those people that used to bring them to Europe. Some will come with the promise of their madam and everything, but when they find one useless boy, one boy or the other, instead of the boy to give them advice for them to finish their payment or for them to be well or managing their money well, good with them, no, they will not give them that advice. Only what they will do, they will ask them to leave their madam, to run away from their madam. Why? They know that those girls, many have took oath with their madam, but they won't care, because they know that the oath will not affect them, it will only affect the girls. So they will deceive the girls, instead of the girls now working and be balancing to their madam or helping their family back home. Instead of them doing that, they will be spending that money on the boy. The boy now will become their madam, will become their master, will become their family. But after did and done, after so many years, too much money and too much work, pressure and everything, body, using your own body to suffer for it. After did and done, you can see now that even the boy will run away from them, the boy will leave them, even the madam, and then now the girls will not have problem with the madam, or even maybe the swear, the juju that they swear together, maybe the juju now will come affecting the girls. But the boys now, they will run and leave them. But they are the one that deceived them the first time. You see, this is what is happening in Europe. So some girls need to be wise. They need to wise up, you know. They need to wise up. Not that you will not help somebody, but too much of everything is bad, because you will be helping them thinking that things will be fine in future, but you don't know their plan. You don't know their plan at all. Any man that you don't even have child with or never even pay for your diary, be very careful when helping those kind of people. Be very careful before you help them. Make sure that they are saying positive things that will lead you to your good future, that will prosper you tomorrow, because many of them are fake. Some might even introduce you to their parents, giving you hope. But at the last moment, they will be the one telling you that you are a prostitute. After the done, they will be the one calling you prostitute, and they are the one that ate that prostitute money. They are the one that even push you. Because had it been you are not with them, maybe you would have found someone better than them that will take care of you, that will even show you how to even go to school, that will show you how to get a handwork and manage your life. But those bad ones will not show you any of these good things, because what they want to do is to brother you, just to sell you and make money from your body. Only that after everything, they will be calling you prostitute. So my brothers, you all have to change, because this kind of character is very bad. Don't think that if you did this to any human in this life, anybody's child in this life, don't think that God will just sit in heaven and be watching you. He's going to pay you very, very badly. Very, very bad. That is why after the dandon, you can see many people being frustrated, being you girls or being you boys, because some of them, some have done many bad things, some have frustrated many girls here in Europe. Some girls have no hope anymore because of them. Many self you even go on to pregnant more than how many girls, taking money from this, taking from that, taking from that. At last, they will even take HIV/AIDS to go and infect the rest of them. So it's very bad. They have to stop it. Look at this girl now. Look at her future now. Look at what you did to this poor innocent girl that traveled out of her own country just to help her family, just to fight for her future. But at last, she's now running mad on the streets of Italy. For what? Because of man. So please, you people have to stop all this. Not that you will not help, you will help, but be watched very carefully, be wise, watch very carefully. Not everything that glitters are good, you know. You should know those ones that give you the good advice, those ones that know that what you are doing is not good and want to change you to the better ways, those ones that will lead you to your to a better future. Listen to those ones, and not all these ones call themselves Shentro or whatsoever, only to deceive girls, eat their money and dump them. Even here in Europe, some guys are even doing some rituals here. Some are even joining with white people to do rituals. So girls should be very careful. Not all men that invite you to their house you will go. Don't go to their home. Don't go to their home. If you have the place of work, walk there, or you just stay where you are. Stop going to all those men their home, because you cannot trust anybody for now. This is the end time. Many things are happening. Someone will just call you to come there. If you get to his place, he will give you something to knock you on the head, or they will even poison your drink or whatsoever. After the done, you will not know where you are. You will not know what you are doing anymore. So please, you all should please just take good care of yourself and stop all this kind of nonsense. And after this coronavirus disease, please, I'm begging you guys that are still on the street, that please look for something tangible to do, because this time now, I don't think that someone can even continue this kind of prostitution work after coronavirus sickness. After this disease, I don't think so that someone will still open his eyes or her eyes to go and meet prostitute. Please, you people, you guys should change. Pray to God and look for something tangible to do, because life is only once. We live it just for once. You can imagine now, after every years now, what are we suffering for? After the whole suffer and everything, you can see even those people that are even doing rituals to make money. You can see where the world now is today. And only with just small sickness, everything is gone. You can see. So it's vanity upon vanity, just the way the Bible states it. So we have to change and make the good decisions in life so that we can live longer, please. So that we can live longer. Because this is a shame. This is a shame. Many guys have caused shame upon Africans in this Europe. They have caused shame upon our ladies in this Europe. Our ladies don't have any respect again. They will be ashamed of doing prostitution, and they will still be ashamed of after the whole suffer. No man will still put them at home. But while they are doing that prostitution, they will get 100 men, million men there. While they are doing that prostitution, they will even get someone that will be respecting them, washing their panties, even cooking for them, cleaning their houses. But when it comes down to settling down, everybody will run and leave them. They will be calling them prostitutes. So you see why you have to change your decision and make a perfect decision for now, because no one is going to talk for you. Those people that you are even thinking that you are suffering for, they will be the one to even insult you. And please, if you even suffer for your parents, if you even spend that money for your parents, for your hometown people, it's okay. Nothing will make you run mad. If it is your parents, even if you give them money to build a house for you and they didn't build it, I don't think anything will happen to you, because it's your parents. You are still seeing it. They are still your mother. They are still still your father, they're still your brothers, they're still your sisters, but not someone that you didn't know from anywhere, from any angle, someone that will just disappear in the sky and you will not see him again. Then you will just suffer everything. So this kind of thing makes someone's brain to get knocked, you know. So please help our ladies, help our girls not to destroy their life. Give them good advice, please. If you cannot help them, at least to even settle some of their money, give them good advice, good job that they can do to pay their money, or they can do to help their family, so that they will get out of that prostitution place, because there is no hope over there. There is no future there. It's only bad thing that happened there. You can imagine one woman that will suffer from year to year, years to years, every day working, no freedom, nothing. But at the end time, at the last moment, even if you travel down to Africa, if you ask them, where is the house that I was building, that you people were building for me, no one, they will tell you that there is no house. Where is my bank account? Where is my money that my card that I sent? No one will show you. So it's like that. So you people should please change. Help our people, help our girls.